Hey, did you know that Ryobi just came out with the world's strongest hair dryer blower? You're gonna be able to blow your dry in like 30 seconds. Let me tell you why, because it has 220 CFM. It's got 140 miles an hour. And that's what gets the hair really dry. And let me tell you, you don't have to worry, because I'm gonna tell you all about it right now, because I got a preview before anybody else. Check this out. You're about to learn something, people. Woo! All right, well, it's not a hair dryer. More like it is a compact 18 volt HP blower. You know, for your shop, for the garden, but it's a compact and it's going to get you where you need to go. It's coming out in October-ish sometime. It's going to cost you $99 for the tool, and it's going to cost you $149 for the combo with a charger, a battery, and the tool itself. 4 amp hour battery at 18 volts. Everybody, hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm really sorry that you had to learn that that wasn't my real hair. And until next time, my name is Brent. This is Live Free and Tool Line. I really miss my hair. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hey, did you know that Ryobi just came out with the strongest, most powerful blow dryer in the world?